guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name's Astrid. Before we start the unboxing, guys, can you just have a look at these? How cute are these? They're a press-on set that I've done for TikTok, and they're just kind of like a really cute, dreamy, nighttime at-home set. Can you just have a look at these like cute unicorns? How sweet! I love this so much. So yeah, if you want to see how I kind of achieve this, just head over to my TikTok and you'll see it there. For today, I'm going to be unboxing the Melody Susie e-file, and I had to get this. I had no choice. I didn't just do this for the sake of YouTube, but then I thought I might as well just unbox it for you guys here anyway. And I got this because my drill died on me a few weeks back, and so I had no choice, and so here we are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. I can't find my my little craft knives. I don't know where I've put them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this quickly. Hopefully I don't make a right mess. But yes, I had seen reviews on this when I had my other drill anyway, so when it died on me, I just thought, hey, might as well. And so here we are. I hope this one lasts for longer, but I also reckon that it died on me because, you know, I didn't have that little it's kind of like a circular bit that goes on your drill before you put your bits in. I don't know if that makes sense, but if I find a picture, I'm gonna pop it up somewhere. Boop. If not, I'm probably just gonna say sorry I didn't find it. But yeah, here we are, and I'm actually really excited for a new file. The other one was so bulky and it took up so much space on my table, so I hope this one, you know, is a lot slender, which it does look like it is in the picture. So let's see. And again, this is the e-file from Melody Susie, and there could be other bits in here. Yeah, there are. So I got this on Amazon, and at the same time I ordered some acetone, and this is a liter, and it's crazy because I just got this, and Minty, I don't know if you guys remember Minty, I'm sure by now you do, but yeah, if you don't, she was or she is my brother's girlfriend, and she was in the first video that I done. She's a nail tech, and she gave me this, and I just bought this, so I'm gonna have acetone for a while, but yeah, it's okay. Oh, this is looking so nice and small. Guys, this is the size of my hand. Look at this. And I have big hands, okay? Look at this. This is looking really good to me already. But yes, and then I got some lint-free wipes, and I'm just going to be popping them in here. I know right now it's full of like nail art and my practice finger. But yes, I'm going to be popping these in here so I can just flick it open and use it when necessary. So yes, let's get right into this. Oh, so cute. I'm excited. Let's do it. Sorry guys, I had to go wake up the kids from a nap, so they're right behind me, and you might be hearing, no, you probably will hear them making some noise, so forgive me, but I just wanted to do this. Anyway, she said, "Dada!" I love it. Okay, so it's just an unboxing video anyway, so I thought, let me just get this done so I can give you beautiful videos. Okay, so again, this is Melody Susie, sorry I can't talk, Melody Susie, and it says bring your beauty salon home, and it says the same on the side, and that's about it. Let's have a look there. Yeah, that's it. Oh good, it says EU. Hopefully it's a UK plug. I don't know if all of Europe have that same plug. To my recollection, I didn't think they did, but anyways, let's check it out. Okay, so if these nails allow me, I'm gonna open this box. You're right over there, Mark, bless him. He is just staring at me like, what is she doing? Why is she over there doing the most? Okay, so when you open this up, oh, so beautiful. Oh, okay, so rechargeable nail drill, and I did want a rechargeable one as well, just so I didn't have to keep the whole clumpy thing on my side. So it comes with the instructions, different bits. Yes, that is, yes, cuticle cone bit. I was right. That I knew I was calling it the right thing, but no, I kind of made it up. So here we are. So it comes with the instructions, and boom. Oh my gosh, how cute is this, guys? It's actually so beautiful, and it's a lot smaller than I thought. It's amazing. Wow, guys, this is to die for. Considering my last, look at the size of my hand. This is so tiny, like it's perfect. Considering my last drill was like some big bulky thing on the table, this is perfect. Oh, you can like hang it on there. This is the part that connects, so you can stick your drill in, and then it has the forward and the reverse. And then at the top we have our speed, perfect, and then where the drill goes. And that is it. Like, how beautiful is that? Let's open the rest and see what's all in here. Grayson, what are you doing over there, baby? Okay, so let's have a look at this. Ooh, oh no way! I did want one of these. I was wondering like where it was going to sit. Oh, that is just perfect. Look, and it just fits my whole aesthetic. Love it. Oh yeah, so this is just so when it's on the table, your drill can just sit right here. It came with some more bits, and honestly, I lost my last mad drill bit. So I'm glad I have that back, because I was this close to buying it from Amazon. So the e-file died, and then I ordered this one and saw that it came with one, so perfect, right on time. Okay, so yeah, that's the part that's going to fit right here, but I don't know if I'm going to need that because I'm always at my table anyway. I just wanted it to be slender on the table, so for now I'm going to keep this out. And yes, it is a UK plug. Oh, perfect. I don't know why I assumed it may come as a US plug, but that's perfect. Let's just test this out. These two are so calm. They're such calm children. I'm just like so thankful for them. I don't even know if I'm doing this the right way, so I'm just going to cut it. Are you singing? Do you want to sing Baby Shark for everyone? Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do 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 do. She's so gorge. Hashtag gorge. You guys are okay. My son's just playing with the like cushion football. It's so cute. She sings like multiple songs. Oh, look at this, how cute. Before she can even talk. Isn't that a sign? She's such a child of mine. But yes, let's have a look at these. And this is the actual drill. Open it up. This is looking so beautiful to me. So just pop it in there. And that's it. So I thought I'd quickly show you how to do this, guys. There's basically a lock and an unlock button. And so you just flick it onto the lock, pull that one out. Get your madrill bit, pop it in or whatever bit you need, and then just lock it back, and it's in there. Get your sounding band, pop that on there, and you're good to go. That's it. The bit I was saying I needed, why I think my last drill died, it's just like a plastic circle that just you pop in. You put it on your bit and then put the bit inside here, and that just stops the dust from getting in there. It died shortly after I done loads of videos mixing acrylic, and I was like mixing the acrylic like this, and because I didn't have the safety bit inside there, I think that's why it died. So I'm gonna try and avoid that. But yes, moving on. So it's on. I'm just gonna switch this on and see. Yeah, and that's it. Can you see that, guys? Yeah. Yeah, so first off, let me see how this sits in here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love it. And it says the Melody Susie right there on the side. Love that. Yeah, when you're not using it, keep it there, and it's just ready to go basically. So this is rechargeable. When this is on full, then you can just detach this and just move around with the base and the drill, and that's it basically. You're good to go. So initial review, I would say this is absolutely beautiful, slender, it's really light as well, and then it comes with like all the bits that you need. Like you ain't gonna need more than what it comes with. It's fine, it can just sit there on the side, and then whenever I need it, boom, 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 and then put it back. Love it. It's actually perfect, guys. Comes with all the extras and the instruction manual. So yeah, that was the video. It was a really quick one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I've inspired somebody to get this Melody Susie e-file. And yeah, on to beautiful nails.